You're wasting minutes searching for files manually when your terminal can find them instantly. Here's find versus locate and when to use each. You know the file exists somewhere on your system, but you don't remember exactly where. Digging through folders manually is slow. There are two built-in tools that solve this instantly. The find command searches in real time. Type find.-name filename.txt. The dot means search starting from your current folder, and it'll dig through every subfolder until it finds a match. Don't remember the exact name? Use a wildcard. Type find.-name star.pdf. This finds every PDF file in the current folder and all subfolders, no matter what it's named. Want to search everywhere, not just your current folder? Use a / instead of a dot. Find/-name filename.txt. Just know this can take a while since it's scanning your entire system. If find feels slow, there's a faster option, locate. Type locate filename.txt. Instead of searching live, it checks a pre-built index of your files, so results come back almost instantly. The trade-off is locate's index doesn't update in real time. If you just created a file, run sudo updatedb first to refresh the index, then locate will be able to find it. Quick rule: use locate for speed on files that have existed a while. Use find when you need live, accurate results or when you're filtering by things like file size or date modified. Try both right now and see which fits your workflow. Let me know in the comments which one you'll actually use.